He being the head of the Bar Council, I hope and trust that he will organize at national level by coordinating all the state bar councils in one-point program regarding cyber awareness and cyber crime adjudication. Our Secretary, Mr. R. Chandrasekhar, Department of Information Technology, has the unique personality, and for the Department of Information Technology, he is working day and night, and often we have to visit at places where the seminar is being organized by the government level. Dr. Gulshan Rai is the Director General of the Indian Computer Emergency Response Team and is fully covered under one of these statutory requirements under the Information Technology Act by virtue of Section 69 and Section 70 of the Act. Section 69 of the Act gives power to issue directions for interception or monitoring of any information through any computer resource. I welcome him. Coming to the cyber law in short, it can be classified into various factors, that is tampering with the computer source documents, hacking, publishing of information which is obscene in electronic form, child pornography, cyber stalking, cyber squatting, phishing and salami attack. However, the Act has been defined its punishment also by compensation to the 1 crore up to the 5 crore of rupees, right from Section 43 to Section 70 of the Act. Coming to the Information Technology Act, which was introduced on 9th June 2000, that has led to the introduction of the information technology, was the model law of electronic commerce known as the United Nations Commission of International Trade Law, which was introduced in the General Assembly of UN by resolution number 51 of 162 dated 30th of January 1997, which has recommended that all these states should give favorable consideration to the said model law, which contained equal legal treatment of user of electronic communication. The preamble has also provided the legal recognition for transactions carried out by means of electronic data interchange and other means of electronic communication, commonly referred to as electronic commerce. Taking into consideration that model law, every country has made some law on this cyber crime. US legal system has also the statutory enactment in the name of Digital Millennium Copyright Act and the Child Online Protection Act and the US Trademark Cyber Piracy Prevention Act. In Mauritius also there is a computer access law, and the same is also covered under the any access to the computer is covered. For the purposes of the Section 46, our adjudicating officers have no infrastructure like a court. I'll request our chairman, our CGI and other dignitaries, that is Secretary IT, to make some infrastructure for deciding the cases by the adjudicating officers. Always they complain that they have no model just like a court premises, and therefore I'll request the authorities to provide sufficient infrastructure for them. I have directed to all the adjudicating officers to send the reports which I am receiving regularly with regard to the cases pending before the adjudicating officers. The Director National Crime Records Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, have recorded that the total number of cases are 217. Kerala State also 72 cases are pending under the Information Technology Act. The recent report which I have received from Goa, large number of cases are pending, and in one of the case under Section 67 of the IT Act, The complaint was lodged when husband has transmitted some SMS having vulgar and malicious text to his wife on his mobile, and the husband was arrested and was released on bail thereafter. These SMS are being registered under the Information Technology Act, which are vulgar in nature and is covered under Section 43 to Section 70 of the Information Technology Act. Large number of cases are pending everywhere, and I am receiving that they are also being disposed of at the expeditious disposal are being done. I request all the adjudicating officers, police personnel of the rank of IG and DIG to have this seminar at the regional level and the state level in accordance with the directions given by the Honorable Chief Justice of India in his committee which His Lordship has formed. Regarding cyber awareness, I am prepared to help them through the resource persons and through the slides available in this regard. Section 1 and Section 75 of the IT Act has no geographical background, and cyber being a virtual word where the Google is a search engine. Recently in the US internet, search software known as Google has planned to sell digital edition of books. Google has also introduced the internet in the mobile phones. In the end, I can say that man attains the highest perfection by worshipping through his natural duties, as has been stated in the Bhagavad Gita in Shlok 46. In the words of Bhagavad Gita, मात्र कर्म अपने लिए करना बंधन है, संसार के लिए करना सेवा है और भगवान के लिए करना पूजा है. Thank you very much.